Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make photo collage on your iPhone. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your shortcuts app and right now go to gallery from bottom right corner and then go to search bar and type photo. Then here you can see photo grid. You just need to select plus icon. Right now go back, go to library and tap over photo grid. Right now you just need to select 4 photo and then select it. Right now you just need to wait and you can see photo collage already created. Right now you can save it. There have an option save image, or you can share this photo with social media. So here you can see all social media. That's it. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.